Hi everyone, today I'm going to make a experiment of a volcano with my science kit. Because it's messy, we're going to use this trash bag because it is very messy. And the ingredients we need is vinegar, baking soda, the funnel, and this craft die, and a tablespoon, and the volcano base. So I need the volcano base, and I have to unscrew the top. There we go. So I need the funnel and put it in here, and 50 ml of vinegar. Now I can pour it in slowly. There we go. Whoa. Okay. That goes there. My baby sister will put the dye in. I will just open it in for her. Oh, this is hard. Oh, it's working. Shut up, girl. Here. Shall I hold this? Okay, careful. Shut. 1, 2, 3. And now we have to put the baking soda in. And now we have to quickly take off the funnel. Whoa! This is how it will look like in a real volcano, but it's even hotter and even dangerous than this one, because this is just a little experiment. I see you in the next video. I hope you enjoy this one. Bye.